Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're making multi-lined lettering in Adobe Illustrator. Right, let's jump right into it. First, we need a path to work from. I'm gonna make the letter M because that's my initial. We're gonna do something like this. And now let's center this dot a little better. And let's add a stroke to it. Now that we have our letter, we're going to go to the stroke panel and round our edges and our joints. After that, just open up the appearance panel. We have a stroke over here and we are going to add a bunch more. We're going to go with 5 in total, and we're starting off with, let's go with a 10, and this depends on your file size and it may vary, it may be different for yours. And then I'm going to increase by 30s, so I'll go with 30. Next is going to be, I'm going to increase by 30, so this is going to be 40 because last one was 10. This one is going to be 70, then 100, and 130. Now, as you can see, we got these nice rounded edges. We're going to select our letter and we're going to go to Object, Expand Appearance, Object, Expand, press OK. Now we're going to press Shift X and we're going to swap the fill and the stroke. Otherwise, you can just press this little arrow icon, double arrow, which says Swap Fill and Stroke. And there's your multi-lined letter. It's already done. It's so simple, such a cool effect. You can then adjust your stroke weight. You can adjust your angles again if you want them all to be rounded. You can add dashed lines to it and edit the lines. But it's such a cool effect. You can make some really cool patterns. Now let's add a background to it so it makes it pop out more. We're going to invert these colors, so we're going to make the background black. Right click, arrange, send to back. Command 2 to lock your background in place. Select your letter and go with white. Yeah, that's definitely nice. What you can also do is actually add gradients to your lines. So that's pretty sick. You can choose your colors, just double click here and you can change to whichever color you prefer. So from orange to yellow. Pretty cool. That's basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's really simple, easy, but can give you some really amazing results. Make sure to subscribe if you like my content and comment if you like to request any tutorials for the next couple days. And yeah, that's basically it. Have a good day and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.